Well, hey there, friends. Welcome to the Thunkable X YouTube channel. My name is Darren, and I am here to help you make awesome apps with Thunkable through these tips and tutorial videos. So in order to make an awesome app, I think you need to have a pretty sweet idea. Have you ever been concerned when making an app in Thunkable, or would you be concerned with other people stealing your idea or taking your app and making their own version of it? Well, if you do have those concerns, well then I think that you need the Thunkable Pro membership. And at a high level, what this allows you to do is make your app private so it does not show in the Thunkable public gallery. Today I'm going to go over everything you need to know about the Thunkable Pro membership. We'll cover how to manage it, what it costs, what are the benefits of it, and I'll answer some of Thunkable's most asked questions. By the end of this video, you should be able to determine if the Thunkable Pro membership is for you. So let's talk about where you actually manage your membership. So here I am on the projects page, and in the top right you see a drop down for your account. And the first thing in that drop down is your membership. This is your Thunkable Pro membership. And here it's pretty basic. It's saying if you want to sign up for Thunkable Pro, you can start a free 14-day trial, and then after that you can either pay for the annual subscription or go month to month with a $20 a month subscription. And currently they are offering 50% off their annual subscription at $100 a year. Now let's just take a different approach to this. I wanted to share a graphic with you that I made so that you can see this a little bit better. Here's a table where we see the $20 a month subscription, which costs $240 annually. Or if you were to claim the 50% promotion that's going on right now, then you could go for $100 a year. So right off the bat, that's $140 savings. But what does that look like if you're actually trying to break even by selling your app? Well, if you were to sell your app for $1, you would need to sell 240 apps in order to break even at the $20 a month mark. Whereas you see in the bottom right, if you took advantage of the $100 a year offer and you were to make a $5 app, you would only need to sell 20 apps in order to break even. And then everything after that would be money in your pocket. So let's talk about the actual benefits of the membership. So right here from this screen, you can see a hyperlink here for See the Benefits of Pro. So this is going to take you to their Thunkable Pro membership sales page, where we see again the cost of the Pro membership. But what this does is it breaks down where you can see the free version and the Pro version. And the biggest difference here is public projects versus private projects. What a public project is, that means that your app can be seen and can be remixed via the Thunkable public gallery. So where you can go to see other people's apps and check out their code and remix the apps. That's the public gallery. All of those are public apps. So if you don't want your app to show there, you need to make it private. And in order to do this, you need the Pro membership. That right there is the biggest difference. Public versus private is the free version versus the Pro version. I'll go ahead and link in the description the blog where they announce this and they explain this in more detail. All right, so down at the bottom of this pricing page, they have their frequently asked questions. So I wanted to go through a few of these that I thought would be interesting to you. So if you ask, I'm an existing Thunker, do I need to upgrade to Thunkable Pro if I want to keep my app private? Well, their answer to this is if you adopted Thunkable X before the Pro membership was released, which is the October 10th, 2018 date, well then you can keep your app private forever. But if you join Thunkable after that, well then you would need the Pro membership. So the big date to keep in mind there is October 10th. Or maybe you might ask, what happens if I have a private project, but then I don't pay for Thunkable Pro anymore? Well, to this, they respond that your private app will be available to you, but you cannot edit it. It will remain in read-only mode. So this is once your Pro membership expires, and it will remain in read-only mode unless you make it public so that it can be available in the Thunkable gallery, or you reinstate your Pro membership. You might also ask, can I share a private project with another user? So say you have a group of friends and you're all making an app together. Only one of you signs up for Pro membership. Well, the answer is no. You can only share private projects with other Pro users. Where does the Thunkable logo appear in my app? Can I customize it with my own? So I'll actually go ahead and show a demo of this to you now. Whenever you open up an app, there's a blank white screen that appears, and you can see the Thunkable beaver there, and then it opens up your app. So this is when you've actually downloaded a version of your app, and this is what I did. So if you want to get rid of that Thunkable beaver, then you need your Pro membership. And what they actually do is they replace the Thunkable beaver with the icon that you're using for the app. And that is all there is to the Pro membership. Remember that Pro means you can have a private app, and a private app means that it cannot be remixed by others, and you don't have the Thunkable label within the app when it is opened. So I want to ask you, is the Pro membership worth it to you? Do you think that you need it at this point? Do you think that keeping your app public allows for collaboration and greater ideas so that other people can build onto your idea? These are all things I want to know. I want to hear from you. What do you think about the Pro membership? Leave it in the comments below.